Hello everyone, my name is Rohan. I completed my BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Christ University, Bangalore, and I recently graduated in 2020. Alma Beta's robust curriculum helped me secure a pre-placement offer at Decimal Technologies as a data analyst within 20 weeks of the program commencement. Once I decided to pursue data science as my career, I decided to look for the best avenues available to learn this field. And going through the various options, I realized Alma Beta was the best one. I felt that the vision of Alma Beta was to democratize access to education and provide equal educational opportunities to each and every student. They did this by providing risk-free education with the help of the unique pay after placement model and a placement guarantee to young data science enthusiasts. I feel Alma Beta has revolutionized the career transition to the data science industry. My learning experience at Alma Beta was excellent because the best element I feel in this entire process was the cool visualizations that were available for each and every topic, which helped us understand the complex concepts quite quickly. Another major aspect of the entire curriculum was the AMA sessions, the Ask Me Anything sessions that were there, which were extremely insightful in a way because it painted a picture of how it is in the actual industry. So it was actually a very good reality check in a way. So all these factors combined, I feel, makes Alma Beta's experience a blissful one for me. Theoretical learning is one side of the job done, right? The practical implementation and the challenges associated with it is completely different because theory that you have learned, it has to be applied to certain problems in certain ways. So these capstone projects was our way of getting that practical exposure that was required to succeed in this field. Not only did we get to practically implement tangible solutions to these problems using everything, all the technologies that we had learned, but we also get to collaborate in teams wherein we get bounce around ideas and get to learn about different perspectives of solving the same problem. That was a very good practice for us in order to train our mind even for future project ideas. So I think in that way capstone projects was extremely important in the curriculum. Whenever you're doing a course, it is extremely essential to know how is this knowledge used in the industry, how the industry is utilizing these technologies and these concepts. So this is what we get to understand and learn in these mentorship sessions. Mentorship sessions are the best ways to understand all of this because you get to talk to professionals who have gone through the same journey that you are going through right now. And mentors provide personalized guidance and career counseling sessions. So you get to talk to them about anything related to your topic, any projects that you're working on, any problems that you're facing in your journey, right? And all of the mistakes that they have made through their entire journey, they explain it to you. And because of all these factors, I feel your entire journey gets fast-tracked majorly. So in that way, I feel the one-on-one mentorship sessions were extremely important. We got personalized communication training from Utter, which boosted our soft skills by a lot. They provided us with individual one-on-one mentors whom we could contact on a daily basis. And most of the team building skills that we developed was by working together on our projects, and most of the communication skills that got developed was through these mentorship sessions that we regularly had. The time management skills and the meticulousness was achieved by the regular assignments and the submissions that we had to go throughout the curriculum. So I think all of the interpersonal skills or the soft skills that are required for an individual or a professional was also looked into extensively during this curriculum, I would say. The placement workshop prepared me for the actual interviews. Alma Beta makes sure that their students are confident enough to face any questions or tasks that are put forward in an interview process. Multiple mock interviews helped me defend my resumes efficiently and boosted my confidence. Moreover, the resume building sessions were perfect. Our mentors guided us at every step to build the perfect resume for the job interview. The Alma Better AI-enabled resume building platform helps make the most incredible and informative resumes designed so that your strengths are highlighted massively and helps you get shortlists extremely quickly and seamlessly. I definitely feel that Alma Better transformed my life for the better because I was able to transition to a career that I was passionate about with more than 35% hike from his previous salary, which was much more than that was actually promised to me. To all the students out there, I would definitely say that Alma Better gives its 100% to all the data science enthusiasts in securing their dream jobs. And I can proudly say that this was one of the best choices I ever made.